here is the machine. When you receive it, prepare all the three parts together and make them connected. See, like this. This transfer belt can be used separately, and it's no need to connect screws. Only when you press it, connect to the machine. Just knock the roller like this, so it won't move. Then let's see the wire puller. Totally 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4.
然后这领导等一下拆的时候。
And inside this plate here, there will be 2 other screws. We will show you later when disassemble it.
跟机器连到一块的。你要把这个推走之后，把这个线抽出来。
Besides, there are 4 screws. Also need to assemble or disassemble when install or uninstall this wire puller. And here another 4 screws. Let's see from the lower part. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 screws here. Need to connect or disconnect this cable.
把这个线一拔掉就好了。
And here is a air connector. Also need to assemble or disassemble. The position, let's see, here and here. Okay. After install the wire puller, you need to adjust the clamper height. You can see this mechanical arm. It will clamp the wires after it crimps, after it cut off, and then pull to another end and then feed to the transfer belt. So need to adjust this height to a suitable value according to the experience.
放里面也要调高度，调着下面这4个点，哎，3个点。
螺丝也是靠螺丝去。
对，要把这边以这边为基准，就以这个看到没？
Okay, now
顺畅的滑进去。
Let's see the wire connector vibrating ball. Must pay attention to this height. Let the connector to enter into that hole smoothly. Then the height is good. And this vibrating ball is just installed here manually. No need to screw it or lock it. Only place here is okay. But you need to adjust the height by adjusting the 4 screws. You can see here. 哎，这不是只有3个吗？
这就是3个点了。
3 points from the screws. You can see.
也要装上去。
Then connect or disconnect the 3 cables here. 这个不用动是吧？这个是一直固定在机器上。
机器上带着的。
然后这个线呢？
这个线好像也要拔的。
And this connector, but this is installed in the machine. No need to move it. And here is a connector. Also need to connect or disconnect. Okay. Now you can install the terminal rails by disassemble the two screws.
这里有两颗，这里有两颗，把这个也要拆掉。
And here 2 screws.
你让这个别装反掉了，不要装的靠那边去了，让这个松料板在这边。
Pay attention to the plate. The direction is to the front side. Let's see. Like this. Don't install it reserved.
装反掉。
If installed reserved, the terminal will hit the handle. Now let's see the second terminal rear.
直接把这个螺丝一松。
Here is a pole, you can see. Just insert it and screw it by screws. 是不是靠2个螺丝锁紧？
一颗，就这一颗。
Only 1 screw, you can see. And then insert the terminals from this hole and into the applicator. Okay, now let's see the third terminal inside the machine. This is the terminal rear. And insert into this plate hole. It's better to install this terminal by 2 persons. You can see, insert here, and then to this position, and up from this hole. After insert into this hole, another person should be from the back of the machine to pull it to the applicator. Oh, forgot to say the first terminal. After insert to this position, to this hole, and then from this hole outside, and then to the applicator.
这样一靠它就卡不死了嘛，要不然它这两个比较。
Okay, now you can see these 2 plates. 1, 2. This plate will be disassembled when packing because it's too long. Also might be hurt people. You can see here is sharp. And when receive machine, you need to install like this. Just totally 10 screws in order to make the wire drop to the belt smoothly.
7、8颗螺丝都要拆掉。
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Total 8 screws. Also need to disassemble this plate and then lock it after receiving machine.